What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel again. Just want to go ahead and replace the cabin filter on a '06 Toyota 4Runner. So the best way to do it, it's squeeze this tab right here and squeeze this tab here. Obviously you're going to use both hands. I'm not able to do that right now because I'm holding the phone, which is the phone is the device that I use to record. But all you have to do is put one hand here, squeeze in, and squeeze the other hand here at the same time, and then the box should come off. Once you do that, this is how your box will come off. That's how mine looks like. Not sure about this. I think that's supposed to hook up somewhere. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I got it out, and the thing to change the filter is right there, as you see it. That piece up there. So you have to do is take off those tabs on the side, and you'll be able to change your filter. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So once you squeeze this tab here, I don't know if you guys can see, once you squeeze that one inwards and this one inwards, this should be able to pull out. So I've already squeezed it because I have my both hands free. So now all I have to do is just take this filter off, and I'm glad I'm replacing it. It looks extremely dirty. So another way you can do to give yourself some space is to take this screw out here, and then this whole thing should drop a lot better though, because right now there's a lot of resistance and I don't want to force it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this screw out, and then that will help me take the filter a lot easier. You just need a filter pad for that as well. So guys, this is how nasty my cabin filter was looking like. So I bought this truck in September of this year. Right now it's December, so I wish this would be part of the used car sale, you know, at least replace the cabin filter. And that's the reason why I want to start doing my own maintenance. Actually tomorrow I'll be going ahead and get my spark plugs replaced, because I don't know when was the last time it was done. Same thing with, like, you know, oil changes, like for the trans and the rear diff, but I'll do those next year. But yeah, this is the reason why you maintain cars. Just because it's a Toyota doesn't mean it'll run forever, you know. So maintenance is key. So this filter is pretty disgusting, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I bought one from Amazon. I didn't have to get something fancy. So this is the one I have here, and it fits the criteria for a '06 Toyota 4Runner. So yep, just for comparison again, this is the new filter that I just placed in versus the old filter. Nasty. So go ahead and replace it, and hopefully I should be breathing better air, right?